Okay. Good morning, Graciela. Today, my partner Eliana Canova and me, we are going to present our project, Water Scarcity and the Construction Industry, Implementation of Alternative Source of Drinking Water for Civil Works. We are both students of Civil Engineering at the Universidad Tecnológica Nacional, Facultad Regional Paraná, studying English 2 in 2023. Having finished with the presentation, I begin to talk about work. Water is one of the most abundant elements on planet Earth, and it is an essential element for life. However, it is a fact that it's a limited resource and not universally available. The demand for drinking water is continuously increasing around the world as it is used in various sectors, and one of them is constructions. We will analyze the use in concrete. Concrete must meet specific standards to ensure the necessary properties for its durability, and one of them is drinking water. However, using drinking water in concrete production makes inefficient use of this limited resource.
By demanding that water be used efficiently, this project is in tune with the Sustainable Development Goal, or its acronym SDG, from the United Nations 2030 agenda. SDG number 6, clean water sanitation, aim to generate the availability of water and its sustainable management for all. In addition, one of these targets, specifically 6.4, propose the sustainability increase one target, specifically 6.4, proposed that by 2030, the efficiency of water use and use in all sectors show substantially increase sustainable extraction and supplies of fresh water. It is essential to explore two new alternatives to obtain drinking water that do not depend solely on the available water resource. Give the need to study and depend this topic. This presentation will present to why to generate clean water that can be used in civil work without making use of drinking water from the municipal grid.
To achieve this objective, this work is organized as follows. First, analyze the distribution of drinking water available in the world. Then, analyze why drinking water is necessary in concrete production. After this, the proposed methods for obtaining drinking water will be presented. And finally, the main benefits and possible weaknesses of the proposal will be highlighted.
Water is one of the most vital resources for sustainable life on our planet. But only 3% of water the surface is fresh. The remaining 97% the resident in the ocean. Of fresh water, less than 1% is winning or rich. Moreover, as is shown in the figure, the distribution of fresh water is largely determined by industries and irrigation. The importance of this lies representation of water as a finite and inequality distribution goal, which require maximum conservation. Therefore, it's vitally important to explore new alternatives to obtain drinking water.
The construction industry utilizes water for various functions on building sites, including concrete dosing, grouting, dust suppression, scoking test, pond filling, hydraulic demolition, drilling and peeling. Responsible water management is crucial for reducing environmental impacts, ensuring sustainability and meeting regulatory standards. Inadequate water usage by construction industries. Inadequate water usage by construction companies not only contribute to water scarcity and pollution, but also pose potential legal and reputational risks.
The possibility of particularly or completely replacing drinking water replacing drinking water by another type of water is often raised. However, it's vitally important to note that consider this approach can have unfavorable consequences for the strength and quality resulting in the concrete. Is this true? The construction industry darling cleaning process of machinery and element used in the concrete, a considerable volume of this scarce water is generated that could be reused in the preparation of concrete. However, despite this apparent solution, it is important to consider that wastewater has characteristics that negatively impact to comprise strength of concrete. In fact, it has been studied that water has significant impact on the comprehensive strength of concrete, and impact that Charlie perceived at 7 and 14 and 28 days, and the evaluate obtained are around 1 part for 3 along the evaluate obtaining for concrete made while drinking water. Considering this situation, it is imperative to propose enough solution to obtain drinking water that don't not depend directly to obtain drinking water. No, sorry, excuse me. It is imperative to propose innovative solution of obtain drinking water does not depend directly on conventional resources available to people.
Among the innovative solutions for obtaining drinking water, we have desalination, wastewater to drinking water, rainwater harvesting, and concrete mix modification. Desalination, which make it possible to convert saltwater to drinking water, and wastewater to drinking water, are obtained from a process known as reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis use a semi-permeable membrane reverse osmosis use a semi-permeable membrane with very small pores that traps contaminates as water pass around it. When pressure is applied to a balloon of saltwater during reverse osmosis, the salt is left behind and only clean water flows. As this method blocks contaminates from entering the less concentrated side of the membrane. Reverse osmosis removes salts, sediment, arsenic, microplastics, and heavy metals, and many others contaminated.
Another option to consider the development and application of large-scale rainwater harvesting and harvesting technology for later use. Large-scale rainwater harvesting technology can capture significant volumes of water, especially in regions with irregular and substantial rainfall. These techniques are flexible and can be cost-effective given that the collecting rainwater given that the collecting rainwater can be purified and utilized. However, the success of rainwater harvesting system can develop on local climatic condition and infrastructure. This method collect rainwater and travel for the from the catchment to the strong unit base following. Extractors collecting rainwater and transport in the fiber. Conduct transport rainwater for the rooftop in the transport rainwater from the rooftop to the harvesting system. Main filter to prevent the entry of the debris and stronger tanks collect the filtered water for future use. In addition to desalination and rainwater harvesting, research into alternative concrete mixes that are less sensitive to the type of water water use.
The proposed solution provides several advantages, and they are the following: resource conservation, implementation of alternative methods for obtaining drinking water in concrete production, reduce reliance on potable water, preserving it for essential human needs, aliment with sustainable goals, since they promote the efficient use of the water, as said in SDG number 6, clean water and sanitation, reduce environmental impact, responsible water management in reduce environmental impact. Responsible water management in construction can lead to decrease environmental impacts, including pollution and over-extraction of freshwater source. And finally, reputation benefits, appropriate water use enhance company reputation for environmental responsibility.
There are some disadvantages they need to consider. They include concrete strength, improve concrete quality with alternative water source in the ongoing challenge as quality water, as quality can be accurately determined without pure testing. Infrastructure investment, developing and implementing rainwater harvesting or desalination infrastructure can require large financial investment. And finally, environmental impact assessment. It is crucial to assess the overall environmental impact to propose solution, including energy consumption and waste generation in desalination or rainwater harvesting system.
The challenges and opportunities in this concrete involve increasing awareness of responsible water use and exploring alternatives as proposed in this work. However, such a method requires research, time, and funding to confirm the availability of using alternative water source in concrete. Tests must be conducted following established standards, and result must meet acceptable criteria. While this process involves continuous trial and error, it presents an opportunity to preserve the evaluated resource of water.
Now, in conclusion, the growing demand for drinking water in various sectors, including civil works, highlight the need for innovate solution that reduce dependence of drinking water while ensuring water sustainability. This article has explored this article has explored the challenge and opportunities associated with obtaining potable water for concrete production. However, it is essential reorganize the challenge that come with implementing alternative to obtain drinking water and innovate solutions for sustainable water solution. These are the reference with which we work on the project, and thank you for your time.